In this video, we'll be showing you how to install Dropbox on a DigitalOcean's droplet. Here, we're running the latest Ubuntu LTS release, which was installed using DigitalOcean's public Docker image. Unlike running Dropbox on a full desktop environment, we only need to set up the Dropbox worker. And to do that, we first need to get it. Now, the path for the download of the Dropbox worker can be found on dropbox.com. Currently, the path is www, make sure to use HTTPS by the way, and dropbox.com/download. And then you need to select your platform. And you do that with the plat command, and we want to set this equal to linux.x86, and we want x64 as well, which is actually what our DigitalOcean droplet is running. Okay, and then we just dash that out. Oh, looks like we typed the path a little wrong, so I'm just going to copy and paste it here. So www.dropbox.com/download plat Linux x86 and 64. There we go. There we go, and it's downloading now. It's a pretty small file. Now, this will get expanded into .dropbox. We could see that we got some set up here. What we really want to do is go to the Dropbox destination, .dropbox. If I could type. And here we have our worker process here. So we just need to run that. So let's start it going. And this will load all of its workers. And then it will sit here and wait. It says, please visit this address to link your account. And so once you go to this address and log in using your account, the setup will complete, and that is it. That's all you need to do to install Dropbox, the Dropbox worker on a DigitalOcean's droplet using Ubuntu. Thanks.